In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add the cookie consent in your WordPress website. So for this, you need WordPress, and you also need a website called Elfsite. You want to go to Elfsite first, then click on widgets right there. And you'll find all of these different widgets for your website. You want to go to tools and then click on cookie consent right there. Next up, click on create widget. And then you can choose a template that you want to use for this. Okay, so we have this one. We have this one, we have this one, that one, and then this one. So choose the one that you want to use. Let's say that I want to go with this one. You then select it and click on continue with this template. Right there you can then pretty much customize it. So you can change the text, you can ask users to opt into cookies, or you can just tell them that you use cookies, but that's up to you guys. You can change the language, the message, the policy, buttons, and all of that. Once you're done with that, you want to click on join to install and then sign up for an account. I already have an account, so I'm going to click on login. Now once you sign up for an account, they should actually send you back to that page, and you then need to click on save right there. They will then send you to this page where you need to choose a pricing plan. Now you can go with the paid one or the free one. They have a 14-day money back guarantee. Click on select right there. Then copy this code and go to WordPress. Click on plus, click on shortcode, then paste that, and then this is pretty much it. So if I just click on preview, you should actually see we use cookie to improve your experience on our site, allow cookies or decline, and that's how you can do this. So if this video helps you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like, and then I'll see you next time.